standard one. There is a guideline given in the system. So once we complete the workshop, we will see, how many suppressions are there, groupings are there. So this will be done after the workshop. So we will, this MADB will be prepared, and MADB will have everything. So probably we will take the help of the ABB to understand the suppression group and to understand these kind of things. Say, for example, there are standard rule set here. Equipment trip high level is P3.
No, Chairman, we are not discussing this automation edges. This will do it from our own. Question is
Yes,
that there are certain requirements from system side. For example, in the cabinet, I have the multiple alarms. I have line monitoring, I have fan, I have temperature. So those kind of alarms you should be grouped. That you should mention your accommodation, right?
Yes, this will be grouped once we complete all the alarms. So then we will go for grouping and suppression, because if we are going to do individual alarm, so probably we do not know which can be grouped with which alarm. So this once we complete entire alarm rationalization for one plant, then grouping will be done. Grouping and suppression will be done. So this is, this is how I'm used to. If you have any suggestion or something, so let me know. Because what we are doing as per the system, and once this alarm rationalization is done, then this will go to MADB. So there we will have the grouping, we will have the suppression, these kind of things.
No. See, in the list which is having it doesn't have these alarms. So how will you cover it in your report?
Yes.
Oh, the list what you have provided doesn't have this alarm?
No.
The list we provide is only for process alarm, like for the what you mentioned, system alarm or fan, like a cabinet fan failure. This kind of alarm is not listed in this database. This is a general system alarm. Like
correct. Usually, chairman will recommend us.
Yes,
what all the things
how to
do
deal
for
with this
best
kind of
amount.
alarm.
Yeah. Only indication with only trip and all these things, like a motor fan, only operator has to be informed. This is by default general, right?
No, Chairman, we don't have a motor fan. We have in the cabinet, we have the one fan, cooling fan.
Okay.
This kind of system alarm, system fault, or what do we call it, CPU failure, or this kind of alarm is generated system by default. But this kind of alarm, because we checked in some other report, there was some general statement like this kind of system alarm to be grouped together and considered as what kind of priority.